If you like to see how I upcycled this beautiful TV stand, please stay tuned. Hi guys, my name is Shalise and I am the voice behind Creating with Shalise. I just wanted to give you guys a chance to see my face and to discuss with you what to expect on my channel moving forward. I want to do things with fashion, things with makeup, maybe a home tour. I see these clothing hauls are really popular. So if there's anything you want to see on here, just comment below and let me know. Today is my first upcycle video I'll be posting, which I do these pretty often off of camera. So if you enjoy these, just let me know and I can post more of them. But once again, I was just giving you guys a moment to check in with me so that you guys know what to see on here moving forward. But I don't want to take any more of your time, so please enjoy this video, like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. And here is a picture of the TV stand as it was listed on Facebook for $100. I was able to get it for $70, which was a steal in my opinion, for these TV stands. Cost quite a lot since they're the modern style of being low and extra long. I knew I wanted it to be all white. I had him deliver it to my house and I got right to work. Hello everybody, welcome back to Creating with Shalise. Today I'm going to be flipping this TV stand. It's an espresso brown right now and I'm going for a white, a bright ultra white. So I've already started by taking off the hardware here so that I don't mess them up in the process of painting it. I'm going to go ahead and leave the insides of them brown because you will not see them when the doors are closed, and that's fine with me. But I'm going to start by cleaning it down and getting it nice and, dust free. And then I'm going to hit it with a coat of white spray paint. And then we're going to follow up with a roller paint of a more expensive bright white. And that should be enough to make it look the way I want to. The only problem area is this side piece of it. It's chipped, so they didn't give me the piece that goes there. So I'm going to do my best to get that fixed, as well as this part here. I might use a combination of, super glue and maybe some duct tape that's pretty high quality that I can blend in with the whole side. If that doesn't work, I'll probably go over the whole side or both sides with some contact paper, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So this is what it looks like in the very beginning, and time to get it clean. So this is what the TV stand looks like after I've cleaned it thoroughly with my spray and paper towels. I also forgot to mention there was a glass shelf in there as well that I also removed and cleaned before I started the cleaning and painting process. But this step is really important so that when you're painting, you don't have any particles or anything messing up the professional smooth look of it. So after my cleaning, this is what it looks like, and we'll be able to move on. Okay, so now you can see what I've done here. I tried to glue this piece in there, but the way that it is, this chipboard type of material, it really doesn't fit in smooth. So what you do is put a nice thin layer of tape, and when you hit it with that paint, you won't be able to see it at all. I also went into the little problem corners and did the same thing and just wrapped them. And when I paint it, you'll see it's definitely not visible. So let's go ahead and start painting it. Now this is what the TV stand looks like after I've hit it with a coat of Rust-Oleum white spray paint. This alone I do not believe to be enough to have a nice, smooth, even finish. Hence why I chose to follow up with the more expensive paint. But this step here just makes it a little easier to paint it after, because you're not starting with that really deep, dark espresso brown. You're starting with more of a, I'll say, whitewashed color, which makes the painting process a lot faster. This also helps you get into the nooks and crannies that are a little bit more difficult to get to. But this is a great starting point for us to follow up with our more expensive paint and finish it on up. Now this is what it looks like after I've used my roller in Sherwin Ultra White paint. I've given it quite a few coats at this point in time. I do believe that this is going to look really amazing when I'm done. I do, however, believe that this side over here is a little messed up. So I'm going to go ahead and use the contact paper like I mentioned before. That's why it's a little bit faded on this side, but once it dries, it should be nice and even and beautiful. And this here is the finished product once I put all of the hardware back on, as well as that glass shelf that came with it that I took off to clean. I also went ahead and put that marble contact paper on both sides to hide the imperfections, and it looks wonderful. I'm very satisfied with this end result.